Hi everyone, it's İşlal. Welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to record and edit your videos on Reels, accompanying with some tips. Those tips will help you to create more engaging Reels content, which means it will also help you to reach more people and build a loyal community. So if you're into those, watch our video and learn how to use Reels with some handy tips. Probably you have heard of TikTok before. This video app got so popular in a very short time. Then after a while, Instagram launched Reels platform. You can directly use Reels right from your Instagram account and you can do everything from shooting to editing. When you look at Reels, you will realize that it has very similar features as TikTok. You can create 15 or 30-second clips which are set to music on Reels. You can find Reels page at the center of the main navigation bar on Instagram. This page is more like TikTok's For You page, where you can watch and explore popular and trending Reel videos. You will see Reel videos here based on who you follow, your location, and what content you interact with. Your Reel videos can get featured right here so they can be discovered by new audiences on a bigger stage. Here you can tap on the song names and see all the videos which include that song, so you can get inspired by other contents, save the song, and use it on your next Reel videos. Let's go back to main page and create a Reel video together. Tap the camera button in top left. Then swipe left here to change your mode to Reel. Here you can record your video or swipe up to add something you have already created from your gallery. You will see length, audio, speed, effects, and timer here on left. You can simply change your video length right here. It can be 15 or 30 seconds. Then you will tap on audio and another page will show up. You can search for songs or music categories here on the search bar, or you can scroll down the page, check the songs, see more music from a specific category, and play the songs. When you want to use one of them, just tap on it and choose the part you want for your video. Just drag the button. Then tap on Done. If you change your mind, tap on Audio again. Then tap on top left corner and delete it. This one here controls the overall speed of your video. You can create slower or faster videos with this. Then you will see Instagram effects. There are many effects here. You can check them and use the one you like, or you can even search for other effects on Instagram. The last one is the timer. You can choose how long your clip will be and set a timer here so it can give you a countdown before the recording starts. You can drag and select how long your clip will be. If you want to change the countdown, you can tap on it and make it to 10 to 3. Then set your timer. So let's record something. I will tap on here and the countdown starts, and here my video is recording. When you all set up, you will see the align button. If you choose to align your clip with the next one, it simply adds a transparent layer on your screen for you to start from the exact position that you were in the previous clip. Users want to get entertained or educated in a very short time. So keep the latter in your mind and produce your Reel videos considering them. You can create Reel videos once a week or like per 2 weeks. You can review what you record tapping on the left arrow. You can trim it or delete it. You can record another video for your clip. When your video is ready, tap on the right arrow and add some stickers or texts. You can choose when to show up and disappear for the texts, but you can choose it for your drawings or stickers. They appear on your video the entire time. So let's add some text here. Now see the bottom and just drag where you want it to show up and disappear. So it can disappear right here. Or you can show up here. And you can add another text and select the time range just like before. If you want to edit the time range of the first text again, just tap on it and drag. You can do the same thing for the other text. You can draw something on your video, or you can even add some stickers, just like stories. When it is all set, click on the arrow right here. It is time to share your first Reel video. Type some short caption which summarizes your video and add trending hashtags. You may even add some call to action here, like follow my page for more content like this, or comment below about your thoughts, etc. Just some calling to your users to make them take the action you want. Then add some appealing cover image for your video. Tap on your video. You can choose a frame from your video or an image from your gallery. So if you choose to share your video as Reels, your video may appear in Reels and it can be seen on the Reels tab of your profile. Or you can just share this video as a story. For a higher engagement, post your contents at the right time. You can check your users' activity on your Instagram insights. Let's share this one. So once your video is ready, you will see it on your profile, right on your feed, and right on your Reels tab. When it is on your feed, it will look as a 1-to-1 ratio, so be aware of this while choosing a cover image. I encourage you to use Reels because you should always embrace latest features of the platforms. When platforms launch a new feature, they do a significant push to have users use it more often, so you can get more traffic and boost your profile by just using it. So this is how you use Reels and create engaging videos with it. I hope you find this video useful. Let us know if you have any questions and comment below. See you next time.